We are live, ladies and gentlemen. We are live. This is bearish, okay? This is urgent, guys. The crypto is breaking bearish as we speak. We have the shutdown. I believe it's on. Not sure. From what I heard, it's on. You have stock market closing very bearish on Friday. You have the dollar bouncing. You have the gold market and silver crashing on Friday. Stocks topping out and crypto is dumping over the weekend. This is not a coincidence. This is not a a weird thing. This is bearish. Okay, in this live stream, I'm doing this live stream for the crypto community, for my friends on YouTube. We're gonna teach you, if you need any help in shorting, stuff to watch when you short. If you have any question regarding shorting, anything, you want to look on a coin, you want to ask anything about shorting, if you hold anything, you want to know what we're doing, charts, anything, drop a question in the chat. We're going to show you everything you need to know for the bear. Let's dive into the video. Do me a favor, by the way, if you can like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment, that will be very beautiful. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, we want to look on the charts. 1 second, I will show you the charts. Let me know as well if you hear me well and see the charts. Okay, now, oh man, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is bloodbath now. It's crypto is moving into bloodbath territories. Okay, I will show you. Oof, Bitcoin is getting wrecked on the weekend. Okay, look, I'm gonna show you stuff. I'm showing my VIPs. Okay, all my members, my in the private group. Okay, what we've been watching. Okay, we've been watching and analyzing the Bitcoin, and it's behaving exactly like we thought. Now we have this, you can see this box here. That's what we believe was leg one of the bear. Let's call it crash wave down one. Okay, now we had this consolidation, rising wedge sideways, bear flag. We told you many times on YouTube, doing a bear flag, it's doing a bear flag. Bitcoin is doing a bear flag. That's your chance to dump your scam coins or your Bitcoins. Doing a bear flag, it's gonna get wrecked. It's gonna get wrecked. Man, it's gonna get wrecked. Okay. We told everybody. It gave you some time. It gave you many, many time, and it actually produced some nice bounces on some altcoins. Made very, very big moves. They gave you an opportunity to dump them, actually on a okay price, let's say. But now they're gone. They're going down now. They're going to new lows. They broke now. The B leg, okay, so let's call this A, okay, crash wave down. That's your B, sideways, rising wedge, bearish consolidation before continuation down into the C leg. Keep in mind, this could be an ABC and it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 later. Okay, we've been talking about it on the private membership. If you want to join, link below, man, link in the bio, link everywhere, man. Just join VIP, man. Life-changing stuff is going on. Now, we believe we are in the crash waves, in the next crash wave now. We started it here actually in January 18th. Okay, January 18th, Bitcoin rolled over and broke down. Okay, now let's take a clean chart so you will see what's happening now over the weekend, which is extremely bearish, man. Extremely bearish. Okay, the moon boys will tell you it's bullish. It's not. There is nothing bullish, man. Nothing bullish about it, man. What's happening now? Bitcoin is looks like to me a head and shoulders kind of move dropping. Now again, you might get a different type of head and shoulder if it can bounce from the April lows, the 74,000. If it can bounce from here, maybe you're gonna get a bounce, and then you're gonna get like a right shoulder here, and that was not the right shoulder, maybe, but there is a risk. This is the head and shoulders. That's your neckline, and it's now broke. That's your risk, man. The risk, and the bear flag broke. Okay, the bear flag broke. The measured move is that move here down to 65, and it can be even bigger. Okay, it can be even bigger than 65,000 and move down now for Bitcoin. This is bearish, man. This is very bearish. Okay, extremely bearish. We told you short. Okay, by the way, if you don't have Bitunix account, they give in every week 1K USDT for people that subscribe to Bitunix from the link below. I'm just gonna drop the link in the chat. Man, do yourself a favor, subscribe. It takes a second. You don't need KYC, no need nothing. You can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, all around the world, man. Really life-changing. You can watch my short tutorial on my description on YouTube's, and also ask me anything now if you need help on shorting, stuff like that, what to look for, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna look on your question in a bit. Just drop it now because we're gonna make it nice and dandy and a short episode. You can see that looks like to me like a head and shoulders, and you have the bear flag broke. That's even more bearish, and that's not good. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. Now, what's the problem? The problem is altcoins. Altcoins are a big problem. Why? Because you have dominance going up, okay, here, or kind of sideways, but there is a chance dominance will start surging as altcoins collapsing faster than Bitcoin. If you look on Ethereum Bitcoin, for example, if BTC, this is a weekly chart, it just broke down here. You can see that's the weekly chart. There is a risk next week it can open and start nosediving here because there is nothing here. You know, there's nothing here. It's like space, open space here to collapse. Okay. Now, if you look on ETH dollar, by the way, I'm looking on ETH because ETH is the daddy for the altcoins. Okay, you know, it's very important for altcoins. This is the ETH USD. Okay, look on the moving averages. Give it a second. It's coming up. It will come up soon. Let me see. Maybe anyway, it's now breaking down on the weekly chart. You can see this is a critical level that it's breaking down from. That's Ethereum USD on the crypto chart. That's not good, man. Okay, that's not good at all, sir. That's not good at all. Look on the daily chart. See the daily chart? Broke down. You have as well a bear flag on Ethereum. Okay, a bear flag on Ethereum going down. We shorted it here. Actually, here we started shorting Ethereum and we added a little bit. This is bearish, man. It looks like a nosedive type of a PEPE, man. And all coins look like that. I'm going to show you Solana. I'm going to show you XRP, ZBCN, and Kaspa, and other names if you want. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe. Okay, let's see if you have any question, guys. Drop a question, drop a like. Let's see. You think silver pump on Monday? No, I think silver is cooked. Let's look on silver. You know, if you try, silver is dead man. Silver is dead man. I don't know. No, not dead man. But look at silver, okay? That's a major bearish engulfing candle on a daily. Look at the daily. Oh my God. Look at that. Drop 34 again. It might bounce again. You might get a bounce, but to me, it looks like a parabolic top is in. You might get a bounce from here, but it looks like it's going down, okay? Looks like it's going down, and there is a risk now the US dollar will get stronger. Look at the US dollar Friday candle here, a big green candle here from these important trend line, long-term trend lines. If the dollar surge, gold, silver, everything traded versus dollar going down. Okay, precious metals go down when the dollar is surging. Obviously, Bitcoin is usually going down when the dollar is surging as well. So you keep an eye on the dollar. Okay, keep an eye on the dollar. And you know, silver for me, if you missed the silver trade was here, man. Now it's a baby boy nonsense bullshit. Okay, baby boy nonsense bullshit. If you're trying to catch a bounce here, you're a clown. Okay, the trade of silver was here, man. Okay, that was your trade. That was your swing trade to go long silver here. Okay, that was your swing trade. Here, that's your signal to get the F out of the way before it's going to do something like that. Okay, or something like that and then continue higher. It can definitely continue higher. Again, I'm not trading silver at the moment. If it's going to collapse, go sideways, and then base out like gold, I might long silver and gold later if I will have capital that is not attached to my shorts. At the moment, I'm short crypto and I like it a lot. Hodl Maga. Come on, man. Are you a clown? What the F do you want? What is the Armageddon low for Kaspa? Let's look on Kaspa. Look, I made a lot of videos on Kaspa. Kaspa is now vomiting here, going to new lows. That's bearish. Actually, this is still marked here. That's my Armageddon price for Kaspa. If you ask me, around half a cent. Okay, Armageddon price. 1 cent bear market price and 1.5 mild bear market price. Okay, again, it could go even lower. Okay, I'm just speculating here. I don't have a crystal ball. Bitcoin can go way lower than 35. You have risks of recession now. This is something we never saw in crypto. That's why I'm doing these videos and updates and lives to warn my subscribers, my followers on YouTube and on X, because people are about to get wrecked. They're about to lose everything they have, and they have no idea what is coming, man. The charts don't lie, my friend. Something nasty is coming. We're so wrecked. You are wrecked, man. Me and all my members are up in the green through all 2025, all 2026 now, and printing and counting, man. Look at that. Where is my Bitunix, man? Get yourself Bitunix account. Join the party. Join VIP. Look at it. All my shorts in the money. Look, ETH 4K up in the money. Okay, Link one almost 2K and realized like 600. They're going lower, man. I just took Pendle today with the membership, the members. H taking its time. Look at this baby. What is it? M shorted it yesterday, up already 1K. Zora up on it like 4,000 in total. Okay, look at this baby. Kaspa up on it in total 2.5. Look at this baby. SPX up on it 5K. All my shorts are in the money. OG, that's a shit coin I shorted with no money, and I'm up on it a lot relatively to my position. Look, my position is 1.8, and I'm up on it more than 2. Okay, on a 1.8, like a double, man, on a short. Unbelievable stuff, man. And I have more shorts on Mexi. I have a big Bitcoin short. I'll show you later. Man, you really get Bitunix, man. And really, if you are holding Mr. Gecko, you're wrecked. And you're going to be wrecked forever, man. Like, if you're holding. We've been warning everybody. Don't hold nothing. Don't buy nothing. Short crypto. 2026 will be very bearish. We nailed it. If you listen, you're not wrecked. You're in profit. If you didn't listen, you're wrecked. Let's look on XRP. Yes, let's look on XRP for Mr. 7599, let's say. XRP look very bearish, man. Some subscriber told me to what I think about XRP like not so long ago. That's very bearish, man. That's a head and shoulder on XRP. I'll show you again. That's your neckline. Okay. That's your neckline here for the head and shoulder. That's your left shoulder. That's your head with a little right shoulder here, man. That's a top. You lost the neckline now. It is cooked, man. What happened to my MAs? They're cooked. Let's look on maybe this one is working. I don't know, man. Anyway, Restream is the lives are pretty, nonsense. But anyway, you can see this is breaking bearish. This is a trigger, a short sell trigger. This is a short trigger. Short it. It is cooked, man. It is a dead man. Look at this. It's a dead. You see that? That's a full. This thing can collapse all the way down to 60 cents, to 50 cents, easy peasy in the next couple of months, man. Easy peasy. Look at that. Easy peasy. You have no idea. Saw it in 2018, saw it in 2022. It's going to happen again, man. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. We hit exactly the 50 EMA. On which one? What are you talking about? Anyway, let me show you some other coins. Okay. By the way, if you have any question, drop it now. We're going to keep it short and dandy. Saturday, life is good. Solana, look at Solana, man. As well, Solana is doing a head and shoulders here. You can see the head and shoulders here on Solana. All the big cap coins are doing head and shoulders. Oh my God. Or you can call it a top, whatever you want to call it. It's a head and shoulder top to me. It looks horrible. I have a Solana short. Where is my Solana short, man? My Mexi account is getting cooked. There is my Solana short. There it is. Have some Solana short. You can see I'm up on it almost 3 Gs. Dash. I have a tiny short on Dash. I have a big one on Bitcoin. Yeah, man, this is it's going to wrecked city, my friend. There is, oh my God, Solana, if it lose the 95,000, sir, if it lose the 95,000, Solana is cooked. Dead man, dead man. And remember, now it's the weekend. I'm not sure if all the companies that buy Solana, there is like all these, DATs that bought Solana recently on the top. Pretty much they bought the top, like the Tom Lee was doing with Ethereum and the Michael Saylor was doing with the Bitcoin. So I'm not sure if they're selling only on the weekdays or they can dump on the weekend. I don't know. But anyway, it's gonna be panic selling soon for Solana and all these from all these institutions. And Michael Saylor as well will dump their Bitcoin, man. It's coming, man. The black swans are coming. You think it's too late to put in some shorts? No, I don't think so. But you need to know what you're doing. You need to know when to put your stops, where to put your stops, and which shorts to take, because most of them are already triggered. So most of them, it's better to wait for a bearish retest. But there are still some shorts that are nearing the breakdown moment that you need to filter and go through them, or just join the membership. We always have shorts coming all the time. Today we had a short. Yesterday we had a short. The last 2 weeks we had many shorts coming again and again. We are shorting into this collapse, okay? But you need to know what you're doing. You cannot just short, without stops, without take profits. You cannot, because then you might lose money or get emotional. What do you think, CM? What would be the time frame to start DCA into Bitcoin? Let's look on Bitcoin. I'm gonna do a DCA Bitcoin video soon. I already have my thumbnail ready, but man, very simple, man. Like really, a very simple. If you look in time wise, if it's gonna do exactly what or something similar to what's doing the last 2 bear markets. Okay, remember, 2022 you topped in November, you bottomed in November. Okay, you bottomed in November after the FTX crash was in November. Okay, so wait for a capitulation type of event 12 months after the top, just like what happened here. It crashed in December 2017 and it bottomed in December 2018 after a capitulation event here, 50% crash. I think it was some kind of exchange, I don't know, something of exchange crash as well. Like, I'm not sure which one, but there was a clear technical crash moment of the descending triangle, which we've been watching. And I didn't short here because I was not playing with shorts there. I actually got wrecked in this cycle. That was like 8 years ago. That was my first cycle. Joined crypto pretty much here, made some good gains and then got wrecked, lost everything. But anyway, actually bought at the lows a little bit, Bitcoin, DCA'd here. But anyway, to your question, time-wise, look for October 2026, man. Just follow the clock, man. The whales are using the same clock, and they like the moon boys just don't get it. I don't understand how, but anyway, they probably have minds of baboons. October, man. October 2026. What the price will be, I don't know. If it's gonna do something like that, again, be prepared for something different as well. You might get a mega crash, something that we never saw, like something nasty, like if the stock market and the entire planet will collapse, and then maybe you're gonna get a flash crash, and then it will bottom before that. Okay, so you gotta follow the chart for some clues, but time-wise, October 2026. That's my 2 cents. Start DCA into Bitcoin. October 2026. You can start a bit earlier, you can start a bit later, it doesn't matter. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what my members are going to do. But what the difference between us and all the other clowns, we're gonna profit a ton in the bear market. And once it's over, we're gonna use all our profits to DCA into Bitcoin. That will be risk-free because it's just gonna be profits that will be DCA'd into Bitcoin while our trading capital will be allocated to trades, okay, with stops, with target. The DCA is still risk because you don't use stops and you just buy and hold. And there is no guarantee. Obviously, Bitcoin probably gonna start another bull run in 2027, but you never know. Okay, so you know what I mean. You get my point. Better VIPs are printing. Yes, Mr. Omatic is one of our members in the VIP. Omatic, let me know which trades recently made you the most in the VIP, and drop a little story. What's your background? You've probably been a hodler before you joined. Give us a little, preview. What made you join, and what was your best trade recently, if you don't mind. And yeah, man, happy to hear you're printing, man. It's good. It should be much better, man. Like next week can be a catastrophe, man. I'll show you some charts now. You're gonna be scared, man. Like if you look at all the stocks, man. Look at all the stocks. I'll show you. First of all, look at the big stocks. Okay, this is Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia still didn't roll over, man. Nvidia is about to roll over, man. It's doing a head and shoulders, in my opinion. Again, I don't think it's going higher. I think it's topping out here, and Monday is gonna be Monday. You might get a retest of the neckline. Nvidia is doing a head and shoulders for like no more, almost a year head and shoulders for Nvidia, man. At some point, this thing will get wrecked, and you're gonna get a meltdown, and everything drop when Ethereum, when Nvidia drop. Everything is gonna drop, man. People don't understand. They don't know what's coming. Look at Amazon. Same idea. There are all these stocks, overvalued nonsense. They're going to trigger the mega crash with the S&P. Look at the Nasdaq, man. Nasdaq with a shooting star here. I'm watching it like a hawk next week. It's going to vomit. Look at this. Look at it. Do you think it's bullish? Look at the banana, man. Look at the banana. This was bullish. This is a weekly chart, yeah? This thing was very bullish, yeah. But now in the last couple of months, it just went sideways. What does it mean? Distribution, sir. Distribution. It cannot go higher. Why? They are selling. It is cooked, my friend. Soon, there will no one to buy, and there will be more supply coming into the market, and it's gonna start PEPE like it did in April, man. Tariffs, shutdown, tariffs, wars, recession, inflation. Oh my, and people are holding crypto. Go figure, man. Go figure. You have no idea what's coming, man. You have no idea what's coming, man. I'm going to DCA in the third week of August. Okay, man. I'll send you a medal. Guys, drop a like, subscribe, drop a question now. I'm going to wrap it up soon, man. I got to bounce. If you have any question now, let me know. If you care about shorting or stuff, let me know, man. Stop being a loser. All these people talking about DCA. What DCA? What are you talking about DCA? What does it matter? You need to think how I am printing now. What can I do to print now? What can I do to print in a bearish year? How can I grow my capital, my wealth in a bearish? That's the mindset. Don't be DCA. What DCA? What DCA, man? What DCA? What DCA? What DCA, man? What's your purpose in trading and investing? Profits. That's your purpose, man. Not DCA. DCA is bulk scam, man. Cheers, everybody. Oh, let's look on the total scam coins. Others is going to, yes, it's coming, man. Oh my God, it's coming faster than I thought. The head and shoulders on the others index is gonna trigger, man. It looks like it's gonna trigger next week. It's not gonna end well, my friends. This is RIP. This is dead. Crypto is dead, man. Dead. This is the all crypto coins together forming a head and shoulders for 2 years plus. That's your neckline. Probably gonna break soon. Your measured move is look down below. Is very low, man. It's going to take the lows of the 2022 lows, in my opinion, and it's going way lower. The altcoin bubble, mark my words, man, the altcoin crash in this 2026 year is going to be just like the dot-com crash in 2000 on the NASDAQ and all the Ponzi stocks. That's what's going to happen to crypto. Telling you, man. The writing is on the wall. This never happened. Look, this never happened. You see, this is the most significant top you had on altcoins ever. Look at the chart, man. Not me. I'm not bullshitting you, man. This is the chart saying, you know. Look at this. Look at this. Cooked, man. Yeah, man. No one teach shorts or sporting. Sporting, I don't know what is sporting, but shorts, yeah, man. I have a tutorial on my channel how to short. If you have a specific question, I can answer it now, absolutely for free, free alpha for you. And also make sure you watch the tutorial on how to short on Bitunix on my description. Just go to any video, not on a live, on a video. There is a description. You have on how to short on Bitunix, man, easy peasy. And I'm making these lives a lot, like quite often, maybe once a week. So you can ask me anything live. And really, if you really want the best, man, join VIP, man. That's the best thing you can do with your, you know, that's the best thing you can do. If you want as well, you can pay crypto. You can just drop me an email. You have a 4-month. You do one time. If you want to pay crypto or on the app, okay? You get all my trade alerts, market updates, trading courses. You can ask me anything with a messaging service in the app, in the WAP. You have many other people in the service, in the community. Just join the service or been with us for the last year. Some people have been with us for 2, even more. Man, people are happy. People are printing, man. They're not stressing out on it. They are ready. They are ready for this, man. They are ready for this. I told them about it last year already. We told them altcoins are fucked. We told them already. We prepared them for the bear market when Bitcoin was here, man. This is my Bitcoin short, by the way. When Bitcoin was here, man, we prepared all my service, all my members, man. They were ready here, man. Okay? And we actually were ready before that because we taught them how to short back in the beginning of the year when crypto crashed in the beginning of 2025. Okay? So they already knew how to short, you know? And even if they just joined it lately, like in the last couple of months, they learn how to short. It's very simple, man. 2 videos and you're good. Even one video, you're good. You know what I mean? And that's it. Since they're ready, man. That's the difference. Hodlers, they're not ready because the moon boys are not telling you to sell. They're not telling you to put stops. They're not telling you to take profit. They just let you be and get wrecked. They just let you get wrecked. It's unbelievable. And I don't understand how people follow these people after they got them wrecked. Like, really, I don't understand. Okay, we have any questions, guys? Drop it now. Woohoo. Oh my God, man, chill out with the comments, man. If you have a question, drop it, you know, in one comment. No need to spam, man. Kaspa supply shop Feb 3. It's cooked, man. It's cooked. Okay. Relax with the comment, with the spamming, sir. Okay, I don't wanna cooked my eye, okay? My eye, my right eye, you cooked it, okay? So please relax, man. Okay, guys, if you have any more questions, drop it now. If not, I'm gonna bounce, man. It's a Saturday. Saturday, yeah. It's a nice day. Really, be prepared for next week. People are not ready. This is the weekly chart on Bitcoin. Look at this. Look at the momentum going up. Now I don't know what happened on live. I cannot see the indicators. But anyway, look for next week. If it starts losing the 74, man, oh boy. If it loses the 74, that's not gonna be well. Probably gonna bounce from here, you know, probably gonna have a bounce. Some can be a big bounce, can be a small bounce. But if it starts taking the 74, look down below, you're gonna have capitulation. You're gonna have altcoin capitulation. It's not gonna end well, man. It's not gonna end well. All right, we have some guy commenting here. Umatic, I was a Kaspa hodler and thank God I found CM and Jomo a year ago. Now I'm a happy person again. Yes, sir. Many best trades. Zora printing hard SPX OG some time ago, printing all day, every day. Yeah, man. Free free ROI for our members. Yeah, it's such a great feeling, to be up in profit when everything is going down. That's the best feeling in the world. It's much better than being up in profit in a bull market, because if you profit when the market's going down, imagine what you will do when the market will bottom out and start a new bull market. Man, if you can short, in the bearish year and profit, the next bull, you're gonna be so much better than other market participants. You're gonna be like, this is life changing. You short the bear, then you use the profit for the next bull, and you multiply the entire potential of the market that you're trading. Again, we're not using leverage, we're not using leverage. Don't use leverage. If you use leverage, and you're newbie into futures, you're gonna get cooked. Don't need leverage in crypto. It's unnecessary. Okay, just follow people that know what they're doing, and you're gonna do well. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Smash